One policy announcement, 48 hours, $6.6 trillion gone. Not a recession, not a crash. One policy decision. And the market handed back more wealth in 2 days than at any point in recorded history. And here's what CNBC didn't put in the headline. This wasn't random volatility. The institutions saw it coming. Goldman Sachs adjusted their targets. Morgan Stanley repositioned their clients. The smart money moved quietly, while retail investors were still reading Reddit threads. Here's how it actually works. And it's simpler than they want you to think. A tariff isn't a tax on China. It's a tax on the American companies buying from China. Margins shrink. Earnings estimates get cut. The algorithm reads the cut and sells before your app sends you a notification. April 2025, 2 days after the announcement, $6.6 trillion erased. Largest two-day wipeout in history. And now in 2026, a fresh 10% import duty is already live as of February, with more in the pipeline. The Fed sitting at 3.5%, stuck between cooling inflation and a slowing economy, with an Iran-driven oil shock making every decision harder. But the $6.6 trillion, that's just what you could see. What's sitting underneath? JP Morgan quietly marking down private credit collateral as of March 11th. Redemption gates going up at BlackRock. Morgan Stanley, Blue Owl. That's a nearly $2 trillion market that was built on one assumption, that nobody panics. The policy shook the market, but the market just shook something else, and that something else hasn't moved back.